हेलो फ्रेंड्स, सैली इंजीनियरिंग का जो है वो Q1 FY26 का जो कॉन कॉल है उसके बारे में जो है वो डिस्कस करेंगे कि जो है वो बेसिकली जो है वो ठीक है ना। तो सैली इंजीनियरिंग का जो है वो क्वार्टरली प्रॉफिट देखते हैं। सेल जो है वो ऑलमोस्ट जो है वो 37% से इंक्रीज हुआ है वाई ऑन वाई जो है वो। नेट प्रॉफिट जो है वो 41 दैट इज इंक्रीज बाई 17 से जो है ऑलमोस्ट जो है वो 2.5 टाइम्स जो है वो इंक्रीज किया है। ऑपरेटिंग मार्जिन भी जो है वो 20 से 28% हुआ है, ठीक है ना। सो बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट रिजल्ट जो है वो दिया है सैली इंजीनियरिंग ने जो है वो। बेसिकली सैली इंजीनियरिंग का जो है वो कंपनीज एंगेज्ड इन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ द सेल ऑफ इंजेक्शन मॉड्यूल प्रिसीजन प्लास्टिक सब असेंबली फॉर द वेरियस रिक्वायरमेंट ओरिजिनल इक्विपमेंट मैन्युफैक्चरर के लिए। और it also offers the secondary of operations in plastic like vacuum materializing, hot stamping, ultrasonic welding and manufacture facilities कहाँ है? सावली में है, हेलोल में है, वडोदरा में है ना, गुजरात में है। सो बेसिकली जो है वो बिजनेस इनका सेगमेंट जो है वो कंज्यूमर, दिस सेगमेंट इंक्लूड्स होम फर्निशिंग, एफएमसीजी पैकेजिंग एंड एलईडी लाइट्स। टॉय जो है वो partnership with the Spin Master. The company is awarded new businesses in the home furnishing segment from the two global retail chains with supplies expected to start from the Q1 Q2 FY26. Healthcare में segment is the focus on the platform devices, drug delivery devices, pharma packaging. It has signed 6 contracts with different customer, pen injector for GLP-1 और other therapies in this segment. प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरीज जो है वो पेन इंजेक्टर, ऑटो इंजेक्टर, वेरिएबल इंजेक्टर, प्लेटफॉर्म डिवाइसेस, फार्मा पैकेजिंग। प्लान कैपेक्स जो है वो 100 करोड़ दे हैव प्लान फ्रॉम दी 26 टू इंक्रीज द मेडिकल पेन कैपेसिटी फ्रॉम 45 मिलियन टू 85 मिलियन डिवाइसेस। Sequential capacity growth, it is working on 280 parts per minute line for the GLP-1 pens, targeting additional capacity for the 50-60 million units by the December. Okay, so consumer 74.3 है। Industrial segment comprises of carbon, steel, automotive component, appliances and high performance engineering components है। Consumer जो है वो basically 74.3 है, हेल्थ केयर 17.1 है एंड द इंडस्ट्रियल जो है वो 8.6% जो है वो। तो इनका जो कॉन कॉल है वन ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट रिजल्ट जो है वो दे हैव गिवन इन द Q1 FY26 जो है वो जो कंसोलिडेटेड रिवेन्यू है वो 38% जो है वो ग्रीव हुआ है। 38% जो है वो ग्रीव बाय ईयर ऑन ईयर जो है वो दैट इज टू 246.7 करोड़ है ना, कंपेयर टू 179.4 करोड़ इन द Q1 FY25। EBITDA जो है वो नियरली डबल्ड हुआ है 70.4 करोड़, मेकिंग अ 95% ईयर ऑन ईयर ग्रोथ जो है वो। EBITDA मार्जिन इम्प्रूव सिग्निफिकेंटली जो है वो 28.5% एंड 840 बेसिस पॉइंट्स टू इंक्रीज वाई ऑन वाई है ना। पिछले जो क्वार्टर में जो था Q1 FY25 में था वो ऑलमोस्ट जो है वो दैट वाज 20% के आसपास था। इस क्वार्टर में जो है वो 28% जो है वो 28.5% जो है वो सिग्निफिकेंटली मार्जिन इम्प्रूवमेंट है। सो रिवेन्यू ग्रोथ भी है, मार्जिन ग्रोथ भी है, बोथ द ग्रोथ हैज गिवन द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट रिजल्ट फॉर द सैली इंजीनियरिंग जो है। पैट जो है वो ग्रीव 41 करोड़ फ्रॉम दी शो के 136% वाई ऑन ग्रोथ जो है वो इट हैज गिवन 17.4 था इन द Q1 FY25 में। पैट मार्जिन इम्प्रूव 16.75 700 बेसिस पॉइंट वाई ऑन वाई जो है। कैश पैट जो है वो 52.6 है कंपनी के पास जो है वो इंक्रीज हुआ है फ्रॉम दी 27.6 करोड़ 91% वाई ऑन वाई ग्रोथ। दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ द कंसिस्टेंटली जो है वो प्रॉफिटेबल प्रॉफिट जनरेट करने के कारण जो है वो कैश पैट भी इंक्रीज हुआ है। ऑपरेशनल हाईलाइट पॉलीमर्स प्रोसेस्ड 7,680 tons compared to 5,920 tons in Q1 FY25. Machine utilization rate has improved 49% from 39% in Q1 FY25 with expectation for quarter and quarter improvement. Export around 76% of the टोटल रेवेन्यू जो है वो। तो सेगमेंटल रेवेन्यू ब्रेकअप जो है वो हेल्थ केयर सेगमेंट में जो है वो रीच 77.2 करोड़, demonstrating the robust growth of 181%, contributing to overall revenue double to 31%. Consumer segment revenue grew by 14% Y on Y to 151.4 crore from 132.8 crore in Q1 FY25. Industrial segment में stood at 18.1 crore and show a minor negative growth Y on Y जो है वो, this is attributed to large volume in the Q1 last year due to launch which have now evened out, but the business remains steady. ठीक है ना. Business update and strategic initiatives. कैपेसिटी जो है हेल्थ केयर सेगमेंट में देखेंगे तो कैपेसिटी एक्सपेंशन फॉर द पेन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एड एडिशन 25 मिलियन पेन कैपेसिटी पर एनम, 19 injection molding machine, assembly line, printing line is being installed and is expected to be on stream by the end of the Q2 FY26. An additional line for the 25 million pen for another variant of the semaglutide pens is planned with its total capex of 125 crore for this expansion in FY26, and this expansion is being expected to be completed between the end of the FY26 and the beginning of the FY27. Current effective capacity approximately 40 to 40 million pens है. पोस्ट जो एक्सपेंशन करने के बाद जो है विल बी क्लोजर टू 70 to 75 million pen by the beginning of the FY27, and this 70 to 75 million capacity is considered to be operating at 80 to 85% utilizations. Utilization outlook जो है management expect to 70 to 75 million capacity to be fully utilized within the 24 to 36 month time frame, with the possibility of earlier full utilization depending on the product launches and the market responses. GLP-1 pens का जो है वो commercial manufacturing officially started. GLP-1 pens for the semaglutide cell mix क्या है, in Q1 the measure of the cells were the IP-led devices, with GLP-1 taking the lead close to 65 to 65% of the pens sold over the insulin pens. New customer for GLP-1 was added in the Q1 FY26. Platform, the Neo platform is considered the most used, is likely to be highest selling platform over the next 5 years. The Neo pen is spring driven, is licensed product designed for the high speed assembly. Functions like the innovator device without requiring comprehensive human factor studies to the prove similar error rates. Harmony pen, a different pen for which detailed human factor studies have been done, proving its success and error rates are similar to innovators. Customer commitments and the future volumes. Discussions are going with multiple customers for the volume commitments and capacity requirement for the next 3 to 5 years. Approximately 50 to 60% of the total 70 to 75 million pen capacity is backed by the commitments. These commitments are often taken or pay contract with an upside buffer for the customer if market expand faster. Teriparatide launch. Customer launch is expected this calendar year with batches already supplied. Eye applicator plant machinery received for its manufacture. Qualification is ongoing with supplies expected to start by Q4 FY26. At maturity, this is projected to be around 25 crore for the business annually जो है. Pen assembly and speed compatibility जो है वो pen are designed for high speed assembly lines capable of supporting 300 to 500 parts per minute. Though the largest customer line produced is 160 ppm parts per minute, pens are compatible with the ISO standard cartridge 3 ml, 1.5 ml and 1.8 ml, but Sally Engineering Plastic does not manufacture glass cartridge in-house. Sally का UK initiative, new product launches for the next generation GLP-1 devices target toward the large innovative pharma to be showed at CFHI in the October. This is based on in-house technology development, user research, and the market trends. Market share: Canada Sally Engineering Plastic holds a significant share, 60 to 70% among the generic filers in the Canada for the pens. For the semaglutide line across opening market, they estimate 60% generic market share. Injectable or say tablet injectable are expected to continue dominating the GLP-1 market due to significant higher efficacy and lower API content comparable to oral tablets. Oral forms are predicted to capture 20 to 25 market share. Q1 revenue for the pharma, the 77 crore revenue is considered the new base, with the bulk of GLP-1 revenue is expected in Q3 and Q4 due to commercial supplies. Q1 and Q2 will have a mix of commercial supplies 50% or more and exhibit the batches. Now we'll talk about the consumer segment. कंज्यूमर सेगमेंट का न्यू बिजनेस अवार्ड जो हुआ है फॉर मिक्स मटेरियल प्रोडक्ट लाइक स्टील एंड प्लास्टिक and supply of the male accessories from the marquee FMCG customer जो है. Carbon steel business improved noted. The business was positive last year and is expected to end this year positively with revenue increasing from the Q4 FY26 into the next year due to the added business. US revenue जो है वो approximately 15% of the total revenue comes from the US, spread across the consumer and the industrial segment. No delays or order change currently, but the situation is the fluid. Scalability: mixed material business is very scalable with the enough opportunities, though the subject is global economic certainties like tariff in Europe. Other new customer relationship has also potential to become a sizable business over the next 3 years. Consumer electronics part 1 जो है वो the company is looking at applying for the sales turnover incentives under PLI scheme for the component manufacturer. Some revenues from the consumer electronic product are expected to start by end of this year or early next year. Now very important point, strategic priorities and outlook. कंपनी ने जो एक्सपेंशन हॉरिजन है, फोकसिंग ऑन एक्सपेंडिंग हॉरिजन टू इंक्लूड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फॉर मेडिकल डिवाइसेस, product featuring intellectual property and the personalized packaging solutions. Healthcare contributions: expect healthcare business to contribute significantly to revenue and profitability, enhancing the organizational level value. Innovations: core objective is to spend more on innovations and develop next generation drug delivery, connected drug delivery and breakthrough technology to the target big pharma. Moving beyond Me Too pen product. Capacity lead: all the customers are aware of an 18-month lead time to add capacity. A total capex of 125 crore for 50 million pen capacity expansion over next to 12 months is planned. No additional land cost or expansions within the current plant. ठीक है ना. So there is no additional fields are required, machineries are required, and cost and expansion within the current plant. Manufacturing strategy: preferable for multiple 80 ppm lines rather than the single 300 ppm line due to the optimal capex cost. जो है milestone for the expansion will look at the further expansion as a capacity contract are signed with the customer. So Sally Engineering Q1 was exceptionally good. Forma में जो है वो they are expanding in a big way and their main growth driver in going forward will be with the जो है Forma Innovators के साथ जो प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो डिजाइन कर रहे हैं, that will be the main growth driver for the Sally Engineering. यहीं तक रख